Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite account. Now, in order for us to do this, you need to download the Business Suite app on your phone. This is available to both Android and iOS device. You just need to click on that to open it. And here it will prompt you to log in with Facebook, but we can also log in with a different account type. So we're going to click on that. And this should show log in with Instagram. You just need to click log in with Instagram and choose a professional account. Now, you can only add an Instagram account that is in a professional mode or a professional account. So for example, we'll be adding this one. And there you go. That's how you add your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!